Everyone knows that learning how to code has become an elemental part for the development of children. Teaching our children to code at an early age gives them an advantage. That's why we created Lebot, a robot that makes learning how to code fun and interactive. Your children can get creative and build a rover, a boat, or a submarine. Then open Lebot's mobile app to code their robot's behavior using code blocks. Lebot has programmable jets that help him move underwater. Lebot expands your child's natural curiosity while simultaneously teaching them about mechanics, electronics, and coding. You can make your underwater robot do incredible things, even come to the surface and squirt water, just like a whale. You can program specific motions and combine them with its brain's LED. Remove the floats, and Lebot becomes an underwater rover. The possibilities are endless. Make learning how to code fun, interactive, and imaginative. With modular components and magnetic connectors, your little one can explore their creativity and code their robot's behavior. We've tested Lebot in the real world and gotten feedback from real users. Now it's ready for mass production, but all that's missing is your support. Pre-order Lebot on Kickstarter and let your child explore their coding possibilities.